हाँ फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत वेलकम है 1000 MCQ सीरीज में। दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेक्चर फ्रॉम द इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स। इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर we'll discuss 25 question in this lecture. Okay, first question: a force is completely defined when we specify a magnitude, b direction, c point of application, and d all of the above. D all of the above. Defined by the its magnitude, direction, and the point of application, and also line of action. Question number 2. If the resultant are the two forces P and Q acting at angle theta and the angle alpha with the P, then the tan alpha equal to, देखिए ऐसा बोल रहा है P के साथ अल्फा, यहाँ पे Q है, पैरेललोग्राम लॉ। ओके, सो tan tan अल्फा इक्वल टू क्या होगा, Q sin थीटा divided by P plus Q cos theta. B is the right answer. Question number 3. The forces are called concurrent when their line of action meet in A point, B 2 point, C plane, D perpendicular, A 1 point. This is a force, this is a force 2, force 3, force 4. F1, F2, F3, F4. Their line of action contact at a point. This type of force is the concurrent force. Question number 4. According to the Lami's theorem, A. Three forces must be equal. B. Three forces must be at 120 degree to each other. C. The three forces must be in equilibrium. D. If the three forces acting at a point are in the equilibrium, then each force is the proportional to the sine of the angle between the mm, other two. Yes, option D is the right. This is the definition of the Lami's theorem. Question number 5. What will be the weight of the body whose mass is 1 kg? A. 1 Newton. B. 1 kilonewton. C. 9.8 Newton. D. 9.8 1 kilonewton. 1 1 kg mass equal to, you know the weight equal to क्या होता है, mg. So mass 1 kg into g 9.81. So option C is the right, 9.81 Newton. देखिए, the resultant of the two forces P and Q acting at angle theta, which is the correct, same as the parallelogram law, P and Q. This is the theta angle. Then what is the right? Root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta आएगा, sin theta नहीं, 2pq cos theta. This is option B is the right. Next question, question number 7. The force acting on a body mass 15 kg are the follows: Fx 5i cap minus 6j cap plus 10k cap. Fy equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Fz equal to minus 4i cap plus j cap minus k cap. What is the magnitude of the net force on the body? We know that the net force F net equal to Fx plus Fy plus Fz. So Fx क्या है, Fx plus Fy plus Fz, आई कैप में क्या होगा, 4 1 3 4 4i कैप प्लस, प्लस नहीं होगा, माइनस, माइनस 2 1 3 कैप, 1 चला जाएगा, 12 के कैप प्लस 12 के कैप. मैग्नीट्यूड होगा एफ नेट का जो रूट ओवर 4 स्क्वायर प्लस -3 स्क्वायर प्लस 12 स्क्वायर। इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो मे बी आएगा बी 90 न्यूटन। फिर आप लोग चेक करके लेना। सॉरी, कैलकुलेशन करके देखा 13 आ रहा है, 13 kN। ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, डिटरमाइन द टोटल मैग्नीट्यूड of the vector 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. Assume the horizontal plane to be xy. मैग्नीट्यूड होगा रूट ओवर 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर, 36 प्लस 64, 100, so 10. Option C is the right. Next question, select the option which fills the blank most appropriately. Dash is the magnitude of the 3D vector. मैग्नीट्यूड सेम, मैग्नीट्यूड होगा रूट ओवर 5 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 7 स्क्वायर, 5 स्क्वायर 25 प्लस 3 स्क्वायर 9 प्लस 7 स्क्वायर 49, 5 9 9 18 18 3, यूनिट डिजिट 3 आ रहा है, सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट, रूट 8 3। Friends, question number 10. In a non-concurrent, non-parallel system of the force, what is the set of equilibrium condition be satisfied? A. Sum of the all horizontal force are zero. The sum of the moments of any point is zero. The sum of the all horizontal and the vertical force is zero. The sum of the moments at any point is zero. The sum of all vertical force is zero. The sum of all moments at any point is zero. And is the sum of the all horizontal and the vertical force is zero. The sum of moments at any point is non-zero. B. The sum of the all horizontal and vertical force is zero. The sum of the moments at any point is zero. Next question. When three When three forces acting at a point are in the equilibrium, the each force of the proportional to the sine angle between the other two forces. This is the Lami's theorem. This is the this is the this is the definition of the Lami's theorem. What? This is the Lami's this is the definition of the Lami's theorem. Friends, question number 12. Coplanar concurrent force are those force which बोल रहा है coplanar and concurrent. कोप्लेनर मीन एक ही प्लेन पे होगा. कॉन्करेंट मीन्स देयर लाइन ऑफ एक्शन कॉन्टैक्ट एट ए पॉइंट. ऑप्शन ए मीट एट वन पॉइंट बट देयर लाइन ऑफ एक्शन do not lies on the same plane. Wrong. Do not meet any one point. Wrong. Meet at one point and their line of action also lies in the same plane. Yes. Uh, Option D, do not meet at one point. Wrong. Option C is the right. Question number 13. देखिए, the principle of transmissibility of the force states that when a force acts upon a body, its effect is A. Same at every point on its line of action, B. Different at different point on its line of action, C. Minimum if acts at the center of the gravity of the body, maximum if acts at the center of gravity of the body. A. The same or every point on its line of action. Friends, question number 14. Which of the following states that a system of the external force acting on a body in motion are in dynamic equilibrium with the inertia force of the body? A. D'Alembert principle. B. Principle of the work and the energy. C. Impulse movement principle. D. All of the option is correct. A. D'Alembert's principle. Question number 15. The force applied on a body of the mass 10 kg to produce an acceleration 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इज फोर्स होगा क्या एम ए मास क्या है मास है 100 into 10,000 1000 Newton is the right answer. Question number 16. If three non-parallel forces hold a rigid body in the equilibrium, they must be equal in magnitude, concurrent, non-concurrent, cooled. Question number 17. What is the condition of the equilibrium of a body if the resultant R of the system concurrent force system is 0? Summation of x equal to 0 only, summation of y equal to 0 only, summation of x equal to 0, summation m equal to 0, and summation x 0, summation y 0. Option C, summation x and the y is 0. सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे और है, मैं नोटिस नहीं किया, और है दोनों को समेशन में, मैंने वर्टिकल फोर्स और हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स दोनों को इक्विलिब्रियम में होना चाहिए, जीरो होना चाहिए समेशन. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. समेशन ऑफ एक्स, एक्स डायरेक्शन में जो फोर्स आएगा उसका समेशन जीरो होना चाहिए, एंड वाई डायरेक्शन का फोर्स को जीरो होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. द फोर्स व्हिच लाइंस ऑफ एक्शन लाइज अलोंग द सेम लाइन, द कोलिनियर फोर्स. Option A is the right collinear force. Friends, next question. Question number 19. The apparent weight of a man in a lift is less than the real weight when the lift is going down. A. Freely. B. Under the force of the gravity. C. With the some constant velocity. D. With the same acceleration. Option D. With the same acceleration. Friends, question number 20. Weight of the body in the Newton in kg meter per second square, B kg meter per second cube, C kg dot meter square per second square, kg into meter cube by second square. Weight equal to क्या होता है, weight equal to m into g. G is the meter per second square, m equal to kg, so kg meter per second square, 1 Newton equal to kg meter per second square. In question number 21, the set of the force which resultant is zero are the known as equilibrium force, collinear force, coplanar force, D concurrent force. Option A, equilibrium force. Friends, question number 22, what is the SI unit of the force? A dyne, B Newton, C kilogram, D watt, B Newton. We all know that. What is the dimensional formula of the force? mlt 2, mlt minus 2, mlt minus 1, ml minus 1, t minus 1. We know that force equal to ma, mass into acceleration, mass m, acceleration meter per second square, so l t minus 2. Question number 24. D'Alembert's principle is used for reducing the problem of the kinematics to equivalent static problem. B. Determining the stress in the trusses. C. Stability of the floating bodies. D. Designing of the shape structure. A. Reducing the problem of the kinematics equivalent static problem.